Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Honda Interceptor VFR800S. This special 25th anniversary model just arrived with 38,000 miles on the odometer. Gorgeous red, white, and blue paint scheme. Really awesome sounding Leo Vinci exhaust. Undertail. It's got the seat cowl, smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, center stand. This bike has got all the great equipment on it. Come on by, make your VFR 800 Interceptor dreams come true with this gorgeous 25th anniversary model. Only $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, VF4 sound. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.